thing I love is helping people. I think that is why I'm on earth. That is why I'm here. I can't do without it. So professionally, my journey, my everything, I think that is what I enjoy doing. There's nothing like professional services when people are not involved. There's nothing like political career, but there's nothing like any career you are thinking, people are involved. So without people, then, and when you are not putting people first, to me, it's like you are selfish. You are selfish, and I can allow such kind of selfish individuals to come around me. So that's one of the things I enjoy doing, helping people. And the other thing is, I think I enjoy the love of my family, and they give me wonderful, shall I call it, they embrace everything I deliver on their table, and together with few friends that I have, because I don't have too many friends. I only have well-packed professionals, people that believe in the vision I'm driving. I can't have too many people. Of course, I don't believe I should have, I don't believe having majority as lovers all over the world. You can have, it's not everybody that will like you. It's not everybody that will embrace what you're doing. We have mockers, we have encouragers. We have people that will tell you that, what is he doing? Is he the only one? Why is he doing it? Does he believe that he can do it? Does he believe that he can achieve it? Some people don't believe in your vision. Even what you are doing right now, giving me an interview, they don't believe in it. It's all bullshit. You want to use, all sorts of. So to me, I want to say that I am the most craziest person on earth at the moment, doing what seems to be unbelievable. How is he going to achieve it? Some people are there talking, trying to figure it in their head, and they cannot be able, because God is more than any other person's or anybody's mind or small brain. So I so enjoy the love of God, the love of family, and the love of friends that surround me, that keep telling me that, come on, boy, no matter what, we are with you. Just keep going, just keep pressing forward. And that is what I can tell the people out there. Somebody needs encouragement. Even the president needs encouragement. There's nobody on the surface of the earth. So if you need encouragement, why don't you encourage others? If you need encouragement, if you all need encouragement, so why are you pulling some people down? Maybe because of their nature, because of their background, because of their way of thinking, because no. Who tells you that your way of thinking is better? Who tells you that the way of your nature is better? Who said that you are the best? Who said that? So we, as you are thinking, others are thinking beyond what you are thinking. So what we need to respect is people's view. And objectively, we must be able to correct in love and say, okay, if you are thinking this way, what about this way? This is how I think about it. This is how I see it. So by so doing, we weigh it together and say the one that is best, then we choose. We go. So this is the beauty of leadership. So what I am also doing is one of the things that gives me joy. I love doing it. Though it's Herculean, it's Herculean in nature. It's heavy, it's mountainous, it's Kilimanjaro in nature. But to me, I see it as a simple thing to achieve, and God is helping me. So I love what I'm doing. I'm encouraged by it. Every day when I wake up, it appears to me like, wow, today is another day. You have to make it happen. So I see possibility in what I'm doing. So possibility is the essence of my moving forward, or of my winning forward. I see it, even though others are not seeing it, as long as I see it. So I'm happy seeing what I'm doing, going, and it does not matter who against it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many people that are against it. It doesn't matter how people feel, or how some people feel about it. It cannot be achieved. Who told you? Who says so? Somebody created light, or invented light rather. I don't want to talk about God. God is what I created light, but I'm talking about the artificial light. it tried many times, 1,000 times, before light that you are seeing today that you are enjoying. 1,000. We read it. It tried 1,000 times. 1, 2 is not 1, 2, 3, 10 times. It's not 100 times. He kept trying. Oh my God! You become a failure when you stop trying. Simple.